Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm inside our front living floor plan. This is a luxury floor plan, and we've done a few updates. We've had some input from you, the customer, and so we've taken action in that. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk around. What we've done with this island, if we've moved it a little further, a few inches further away from the refrigerator area. This is our refrigerator area, so that when you come in the door, you don't have to open up the slides in order to get inside that refrigerator. You can open up both doors of that refrigerator and get in there. The other thing that we've done is now we've got two opposing slides that are flush floor slides. So what that means is in this kitchen area, you're not going to have a toe kick. There's a track right here that goes down, so when that slide comes in, it rests right down into that track area and gives you a nice flush floor so you're not beating your toes up against a surface. When you come in here, this door area here is actually 4 inches higher, because we've had some people that are above 6 foot, 6'3", 6'4", that were bumping their heads on that. So we've raised that 4 inches. This bathroom area, we're doing some rearrangement of the cabinets so that you're going to have a toilet on one side and some cabinets on the other side. So you'll have a lot more room, maximized room in this small area. Also, in this area, we've raised the washer and dryer. So now it's a little bit easier to get in and out of that washer dryer area. And there's been a number of things in here that we've done. This slide here is much deeper now. So when you walk in the door, you'll have a larger area between this wardrobe slide and where the bed starts. So you'll have a nice big walk area here when you go into this. Also, we've raised this door 4 inches higher. So for you tall guys and ladies, getting into this bathroom is going to be really nice. This is actually really truly meant for the taller folks, this floor plan is. So hey, ask us some questions about our front living floor plan. Give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.